campus is located right up on the hill. We are literally the beacon of the community, like a lighthouse tower looking out. You can see us coming in from every direction.
I think it's really beautiful here. That's part of the reason I picked the campus. I like the location. I like the size of the campus. It's easily walkable.
I mean, it's gorgeous, for one. Iowa's not just corn. There's like beautiful nature trails everywhere. The community in Mount Vernon is insane. I say it's like a Hallmark movie.
Mount Vernon and Cornell's connection together I think is nice because we do a lot of the local festivals, the town does, Mount Vernon, and Cornell students can visit really easily just down the hill. On Main Street downtown Mount Vernon, there's a number of shops that sell either eclectic stuff, mainstream stuff, or even just like crafts and gifts.
I just love to go to the Silver Spider and the little shops there because they have such nice stuff that I like to buy.
The antique stores, oh my goodness, like you have to stop by those.
There's grocery stores, shopping, restaurants, medical doctors, physical therapists, all of that is right here within walking distance.
But if you're looking for more of like, I want the Starbucks and Target experience, we have that. It's just in the next city over. It's not a hard drive and it's nearby.
I always describe it to people as sort of in a triangle with Cedar Rapids and Iowa City because it's about equal distance from both of them.
Just like a 20-minute drive to Cedar Rapids, which is where my roommate and I do a lot of our shopping. Or if you want to do a Costco trip, then we go down to Coralville, and it's like 30-ish minutes away. I got lucky enough to have my own transportation and my friends. I take them whenever they need to go somewhere. But I know that there's like people who would gladly take you even if they don't know you that well.
The sense of community that Mount Vernon has, that Cornell has, that they have together, even the community that Iowa has and the Midwest has, it's beautiful. Like, people show up, they support each other, they go to events, and like, I didn't think that actually existed still. So Cornell's like a little like heaven